morning. It is day 1 of Mustang week. I got a couple errands I gotta do. I gotta get some groceries for the week. I gotta get the girl clean because she is covered in bugs. And I know we have a couple other fun meets going on today. So I also know that we have to head to the registration tent because I know I registered for the final event. So I think there's a poster and a decal we can pick up if we're there early enough. So that's the plan for today, and I'll fill you in as we go. Decided to go to Piggly Wiggly. We don't have these in the north, so a fun little name. Should be good. The old girl. Nice. I said Mustangs aren't a good daily car. I mean, look how much crap I have in the trunk that I could fit. I have the groceries, I have the bag, I have the tools, I have a jack, I have a spare tire in here. I got everything, and it fits perfectly fine. Turns out we are not the only ones needing a car wash. Just full of Mustangs. I never clean my wheels, but I am learning that this is the most tedious part of cleaning your car. I am not a fan. Also, don't even know if this is the right tool, but I tried the long spongy thing and it was not going anywhere, so we're just gonna put some elbow grease into this thing. I don't remember the last time my wheels looked this good. It had to be like when I bought the things. Not too bad. Chemical guys. Pretty good. All right, all cleaned up. So it's nice and clean. All the bugs are gone. Wheels look great. Damn. I'm really surprised how well those turned out. She'll dry off a little bit more in the sun. All right, we're here at our meeting spot. I think we're gonna meet here at the Voodoo Brewery. And cruising with a bunch of other Mustangs into the kickoff party. Got a couple 70s over there. Got us, obviously. Got 2 Shelbys, which is pretty sweet. And this guy's twin turboed. All right, we're starting the cruise. We probably have about 20 of us in line. This is gonna be a fun week. All right, we're at the meet. When I say there were Mustangs everywhere, there are literally Mustangs everywhere. There's more in that parking lot over there, and they're still coming in. We found the YouTube squad. Look who it is. Jake, Brandon. All right, as you can tell, we left that meet a long time ago. I was just exhausted. However, we're now out with the crew getting some pictures. So if you do not follow me on Instagram, do so. It's at Cyclone, CYCLNE 197. Same thing as the YouTube. If you have TikTok, follow me there as well. All right, that picture spot's done. I think we're just gonna cruise around either for some pictures or try to meet some people. I'm kind of hoping to meet a couple other Stangs. That'd be kind of nice. All right, found the spot. We have a twin, kind of. I love this. I want to do that to mine, the strut tower base. I want that. That looks sick. Never good when you got to bring out the tools at a meet. Oh boy. All right, we're getting kicked out. That was fun, but we'll see if we go somewhere else or we're calling it a night. Oh, and his buddy's here too. All right, catch you later. Everything's just getting shut down, so this is the end of the night. So why not a better way to end the day with the car under the giant crab. Thank you all for tuning in. We'll catch you in the next episode. Deuces. One last thing. I want to say thank you all for subscribing. We've hit, as of now, 52 subscribers. The goal was 50 by the end of the year, so we already crushed it. Do you think we can get to 75 by the end of the year? Help me out. Hit the like, hit the sub button, and I'll catch you in the next day of Mustang Week. Deuces.